Hi, it's Bruce from A1 Pest Control in Dural. We're at a underground car park that's been infested by birds. You can see why they're a bit of a problem. It looks like they've had continuous problems here by the amount of bird spikes. And there's plenty of roosting spots here along these pipes, so they've been causing a lot of mess. And looks like they've got avi strand here as well as bird spikes all along, and yet the birds are still a problem. This may need to be netted. It's going to be quite a complicated job. But sometimes issues like this need a more comprehensive answer. So it's Bruce from A1 Pest Control in Dural.